In this video, we're going to draw a very delicious pancake. This is one of my favorite brunch menus. I like anything with pancakes and berries. I found this pancake photo online and I thought it looked really pretty and delicious, but at the same time, I thought something was missing. It's the cream. How could you eat a berry pancake without whipped cream? So I'm going to add lots of cream on top and make this pancake even more delicious. But there are too many berries, so I'm going to simplify them a little to make it easier to draw, but it still looks cute and yummy. Now, without too much talking, let's jump right onto it. At the bottom, I'm drawing a big oval for the plate and a big cylinder for the pancakes. Then I'm drawing a big strawberry at the center as a centerpiece, and I draw 2 blueberries in front of the strawberry. And I erase all the overlapping areas so that I don't confuse myself. Inside the blueberry, I draw a tiny circle for the stalk. Right behind the strawberry, I'm drawing 2 mint leaves because it's nice to see some green there. And all the way at the bottom, on the left corner, I'm drawing a half-cut strawberry. It's nice to show one in whole and one in cut to make your drawing look more interesting. And next to the strawberry, I'm drawing another blueberry. Going back to the top, I'm drawing a yummy melting whipped cream. Just draw the wavy line and make some of the area more droopy. Now I'm dividing the cylinder into 5 by drawing the curve horizontally, and I turn the straight line to a scallop on the sides. It finally looks like a stack of pancakes. Let's erase the practice lines before adding more details. My plate looks a little crooked, so I'm fixing them now, making it more symmetrical. Let's start drawing the outline with a permanent marker. Now I'm doing it with a pen for the small details inside the blueberry, leaf, and strawberry. I'm drawing the tiny seeds inside the strawberry too. All the black outlines are done, so let's erase the pencil sketches before moving on to coloring. Fast forwarding the coloring, I used dark pink for the strawberry, yellow-green for the leaves, purple for the blueberries, and I used light beige for the cream, light brown for the pancake, and teal for the plate. I changed the plate color to teal because I thought teal would make the whole pancake more colorful and yummy, but you can pick any of your favorite colors to color it. And then I use orange to add shadows to the pancakes. I just drew thick, messy lines between the pancakes and drew some dots here and there to give a nice pancake texture. I also added the shadows on the cream and the plate. I imagined that the light was coming from the top left, so I added the shadows on the bottom right. For the last step, I used a white paint marker to add the juicy highlights on the top left side. I also used it for the texture inside the pancake. It's really handy to have a white paint marker, so I highly recommend you to have one. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And please comment down below if you like me to draw or make any other cute things. I will love to hear from you and get connected. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!